Good girl. Alright, today is day 15. Day 15. And yesterday wasn't a great day because I didn't get it until around 9:30 over here. So anyways, starting out fresh. It's not raining at least. So let's get this done. If my dog would stop biting my finger. No, come here. Let's do push-ups. Okay. Oh. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. I'm noticing some tightness in my shoulder or my neck area, so I'm not sure if that's why I'm having a little bit more of a struggle doing so many. I'm not sure, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm just gonna add a couple more. 7, 8, 9. So I probably keep going back and forth on my knees. I know I haven't done that in my previous videos. I've basically stopped, but I don't know. This time we'll just do something different. So I did 9. Let's see how many I can do, you know?
See if I can get to 25 this way. Okay.
So 9. 30. Okay. Alright. I can get up to 14. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do any more on the knee. I noticed this is a little slippery. One day I'll get a mat, but for right now, I'm just using my towel. So I probably could get to 14. I don't think I could do any more. I mean, I'll try. We'll see. I don't know. Nope. Okay.
Nope.
14 is the max. Okay. So maybe I don't know. Maybe I'll do that next videos. You know, see how many I can keep counting, and then even though I'm exhausted, maybe I'll see how much my max is. So, okay, well, let's go to the wall and do the 25 wall push-ups.
Okay, let's do it. We did 25. That was good.
Yeah, I'm definitely feeling a lot of tightness in my upper shoulders, so I'm not sure. It could be the position of my shoulders. I really want to be more focused. Obviously, I'm always going to have that tightness up here, but you know what? I just realized
I haven't done any of my stretches. So
that's probably something I need to do is my stretches. I haven't done them the last like 3 attempts. So for the 3 days, I think 2 or 3 days. So that could be playing a role. I'm starting to get that tightness. So I need to do my roll push-ups.
I have no idea what happened to my band. The band disappeared. I have no idea where it is. So I need to find that.
So that could be creating the tightness, which is not allowing me to feel the flexibility. Anyways, that's just my thought for right now. I'm not going to do the stretches on camera because I don't have time. But all right, you have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Have a good tomorrow.